Alright, so right there's two Rheem units, and I totally forgot to film these two because I didn't know they were right there. So, and only one of them is running. It's this one Classic X right here. $1996 2.5 ton. Wow. This one's got a suction accumulator, and it's got a filter dryer. This one's, which does appear to be a Rheem Classic series unit. This one's from 2004, 2.5 ton as well. And it's got 22, so it's that one right there. 2.5 ton. That's a straight coil unit, that's a heat pump right there. Fan motor might have got replaced. I couldn't tell. Alright, going out.